Hi, it's Barry. If you were with me on my last video about master planning, you probably know what's inside this box. My Louis Vuitton custom order finally arrived from France. We know it's going to be one of these, a Louis Vuitton desk agenda, which I have here in the damier pattern. So let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's called Monogram Eclipse, and it's the same as regular monogram, only black and gray. But this is the pencil case that matches it. And these pencil cases are really great. They have the pattern on the front, and then they have, like, this is just the black leather, really soft on the back and on the side. And they fit a ton of stuff. Have highlighters, dot markers, multiple pens in here, and it's still very sleek, and it's something that I love looking at on my desk. And now I have the two things that match. So let's take a look at this beauty. This is the same desk agenda as the one that I already have in damier graphite, the black and gray pattern. So what you have is this is a coated canvas on the outside, and on the inside it is black. Now they list it as a vachetta leather, which was really quite of a surprise to me because I did not realize that's what it was. You've got the beautiful Louis Vuitton logo, made in France. It says Paris, and that's in silver, which I love because it matches the discs that I use on my planner. So what you have over here, you've got one very long slot for deco, and then you have a secretarial pocket and another pocket. On this side, you have the pocket to slip your half letter into, and you've got room for cards, and then a little bit wider one at the bottom, which works really well for deco. Pattern is the same on the back. So if you watched my last video, you know how I'm going to be using this because I started to put the whole thing together. And I will link that here. But basically, this is a half letter setup using almost all cloth and paper items. I do have Levenger 3/4 inch metallic silver discs. I took off the glass covers that I had so that I could just use it as a freestanding planner. But I don't really need the glass covers in here. And the glass covers are just slightly too big to slip into the pocket. So what I am using actually is the back cover of a Levenger, which I did have to trim just a slight bit. And it is a nice snug fit. I didn't want to trim it too much. So I like it to stay in pretty firmly. And as you can see, that then winds up with a nice slim planner with the 3/4 inch discs. I am a planner who really likes to have slim planners. I don't mind having a lot of planners. In fact, I kind of like it because then I can grab the one I need for specific purposes. I will show you very soon upcoming the whole setup. Right now I have temporary labels on my dividers. I already placed an order for the labels that I need, and that is of course with Scribble Sticker Co., where I get all my labels. She is in Canada, so I think when the labels are done this week, it'll probably take me about a week to 10 days to receive them, and very shortly after you'll see my complete setup. I've continued to work on it since the last video and have made a few minor changes. I do have a giveaway for this video, and of course, it's something from Louis Vuitton. It's not a bag or a planner. Don't get too excited, but it is something original from Louis Vuitton. The way to enter is just leave me a comment below. Make sure you like the video and are subscribed. The contest ends on April 25th. Check back on April 26th and look in the comments to see if you've won. If you have won, you have 24 hours to get me your address. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.